Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you the way to create consistent characters to use in your comic books or in your stories. So you have many options or many websites or platforms that create text to image using AI, including Midjourney, Leonardo.ai and others. However, the problem is that Midjourney is not free, as you might know, and Leonardo.ai, while it's free, the most advanced features are not, and you have to pay for the premium plan. Here I have the best alternative that you can use. It's called tensor.art. And here you can generate numerous photos here with AI depending on the model that you choose. And of course, they are not free, yeah, but they give you like 100 credits for per day, and each photo like only costs you 0.8 credits, so you can generate a large number of photos per day. So once you are here and you signed up here with an account, it's pretty easy to do and it's free. Let's go here to AI tools, which is here generated or shown by default. Okay, and here you have all the AI tools that you can see. Now let's take a look at the portrait channels or the portrait models or like types. Here you can see all the characters that are generated, and you can use one of them and remix it to your own style. So let's say I like this character. I want to remix it. And these are some photos that I generated earlier. As you can see here, it's the same model, the same face, however, different poses. So here you want to add your prompt here or how you want your photo to appear. So let's say, for example, model is running. Okay, and of course, if you scroll down here, you see the basic model is the one that you chose. Now let's click on generate. And as you can see, after some time here, it generated an image with the prompt that you enter. So the model is now running with the same image type and the same character that you chose. Of course, you can go ahead and tweak the prompt, make it as detailed as possible, edit the model here. As you can see, these are all the models that we have, that we chose from earlier. And here you have the LoRa settings that you can edit as well to fine-tune the result that you get. Of course, if I entered a more detailed prompt, I would have created a more detailed image or an image that resembles what I want to create.